Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today we are talking about, is this the end of Uber and Lyft? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on and a lot of drivers are refusing to drive. And this comes at a time where Uber and Lyft have both cut back on hiring employees and they're actually struggling to find drivers to work. So this is not like them cutting back hiring drivers. They want to hire drivers, but there's not enough of them. So with that being said, Lyft is actually offering a bonus of, I believe, up to $1,000. This is like a bonus, not a guarantee, like an extra up to $1,000. I have a link below. Click it. It'll tell you what the bonus or structure is, pay structure is, but they got rid of bonuses and now they're back. So yeah, check that link out below and let's get started. So look at this article. As California gas prices surge, rideshare drivers want Uber and Lyft to pay more. California is, I believe, the biggest market for Uber and Lyft drivers, more than any other state besides New York, but New York has really bad, like they still want taxis, so it's hard to drive for Uber and Lyft there. If there were ever a city to have rideshare and limousine driver influencers, it would be LA. When he's not driving for Uber, Lyft, or his own company LimoWell, Torsten Kunert makes videos for more than, wow, this is about the Rideshare Professor. No way. One problem dominates his comments section these days. Soaring gas prices. Yeah, that's so cool, actually. I didn't even know he has a company called LimoWell. That's interesting. Oh no, that link is not working. LimoWell.com. Oh, wow. I did not realize he had his own company. One problem dominates his comment section these days: soaring gas prices and their direct effect on drivers' take-home pay. He's among the drivers urging gig economy giants like Uber and Lyft to raise pay because of the increased expenses. It's kitten season. Oh, that's unrelated. It's been a tough couple of last months for drivers, Kunert said. The CEOs, the executives, they need to step up. Yeah, guys. This alone, gas prices are so high. Statewide average price per gallon was $5.57 as of Wednesday. Yeah, it's way higher now. There's places that charge over $8 in LA. $7 is not uncommon to see. $6, $6.50. It's like if you spend in $100 to fill up your gas tank, and you got to do that every couple of days, it's like, how are you supposed to make profit? So I think that's one of the reasons why a lot of drivers are refusing to pay or to drive. Kunert filled up his Cadillac Escalade with $100 worth of gas daily for 6 hours of trips prior to Russia's invasion. Now it's closer to $120. So these people are saying it's mostly because of Russia. Some of his followers say they have to work 2 extra hours to make up the difference. Wow, that's crazy. Governor Gavin Newsom is planning to work with the state legislature on a tax rebate for California drivers. Rideshare companies have been pressured as well to raise their per mile rates or give additional incentives. I know they did start giving out gas surcharges, but I think it's pretty low. And I know they stopped doing that. So comment down below what your gas surcharge is in your area, or what do you guys think should be the solution to this? Because I don't see gas prices going down below $5 anytime soon. So anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Thumbs it up. And yeah, big shout out to Torsten. Check out his company. Sounds pretty cool. So thanks for watching. You guys are great. Talk to you soon. Bye now.